So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys earnings from my first week as a Postmates driver. So I decided to start doing Postmates because I personally don't want to drive for Uber and Lyft right now and having a bunch of people in my back seat and while wearing a mask while driving. I don't know, I just don't really want to do it. I have my own beliefs, but mostly because I do have asthma, and so wearing a mask all day for 8 hours while inside a car, you know, without proper ventilation, is just not something I really want to do. So what I decided to do was to be proactive and try out Postmates. So I don't have a lot of experience doing food delivery at all. You know, not to mention during the pandemic, but yeah, this is my first time trying out Postmates. I have done one delivery like 2 years ago, just because there was like a $50 bonus for doing one delivery. But regardless, or besides that, this is my first week doing it. If you don't count that first day, which I don't really count because it was literally just one delivery. But yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna sync up my phone here. By the way, use the link down below to sign up for Postmates. If you want to be a Postmates driver, there is a guarantee if you use my link. It could be up to $1,000. I know they need a lot of new drivers right now, and honestly it is pretty fun. But yeah, I'm gonna share my earnings. And then also another quick plug, use the link down below for Get Upside, get cash back. I just used it yesterday and I got over $1 back. So here we go. This is my Postmates app. Once you get your Postmates, earn big this weekend, complete enough deliveries between they have a ton of promotions going on right now. I didn't want to share with you guys. I do recommend getting one of these cards. I won't share the numbers, but you will get something that looks like, well, did I just share all my numbers? Whatever. So you will get something that looks like this. This is the Postmates card. You will use this card. What I found out, you're gonna use this card to pay for mostly every single delivery that isn't from a big restaurant, like a national chain. So if you get deliveries from like Chipotle, Walmart, yes, you will get deliveries from Walmart, which are actually really easy, by the way. They'll have it all ready for you. Just go and grab it, which is really nice. Panera, if you get delivery from like a local restaurant, you will have to use the card most likely. If you get one from one of those big restaurants, it will be ready. You don't need to pay. You just go up and grab it really quick, which is nice. However, Starbucks, you do need to pay. I don't know what it is, but regardless, I do recommend getting that card just so you can get access to all of the deliveries, because if you don't have the card, you will only get deliveries from places that are prepaid. So, by the way, I just went out and did food delivery yesterday. I did a video with Reyes, the entrepreneur. Shout out to Reyes. Him and I did deliveries together And we found out that you hardly get any rides if you're not in one of these zone areas. We were like over here actually. We were waiting 20 minutes in between deliveries, and then we got actually a delivery out into one of these areas, and then we started getting tons of deliveries. So as you can see here, guarantee. They give you a bunch of these guarantees. If you do 11 deliveries after 4:30 p.m., which is a lot, starts today. Maybe it goes into the next day or something. But yeah, you'll get a guarantee of 70 bucks. And I believe that is, what's it called? Before tips. Anyways, yeah, so here I did want to show you guys, by the way, I did get a $175 referral bonus. So if you use my link and code down below, as you can see here, I got the $175 for the invite. But here we go. This is my first week. I'm just gonna go through my deliveries. I started on July 19 at 12:24 p.m. I did this here. These are my deliveries. I did 6 deliveries on my first day, which, yeah, was pretty good. And then I made, I'm not gonna add this all up, but it was around 35 bucks. And then this was my second day. I went out yesterday. I did 4 deliveries. And guys, my first delivery got $8 tip, so that made up for the rest of these 3 mother effers who didn't tip at all. How do you order food, expect somebody to go drive, pick up the food, deliver it to your house, and then not tip them? Bruh, I don't understand people who don't tip, but most people don't tip on Postmates. I don't know what it is. Maybe honestly, my theory is that because of COVID, you just drop it off at the door. It's contactless delivery. My theory is that they think, well, I'm never gonna see the guy. I don't even need to see his face. So if I don't tip him, he's not gonna know who I am. But it's just like common courtesy, man. Leave a freaking $1 tip, bro. It's crazy. This guy got a bunch of Taco Bell. This guy got a bunch of Blaze. I went up and delivered Starbucks, wait in the drive-thru for you, bro. And I even called him and asked him because he ordered, maybe I can click on it. I don't want to show his address, but yeah, I mean, I don't think it showed what he ordered, but okay, it doesn't show what he ordered. But anyways, I drove 3 miles. Okay, yeah, I can click on these really quick. This one I drove 5 miles, 4 miles. I feel like I drove, yeah, 13 minutes waiting time, 2.28 minutes waiting time. I mean, some of these were long. Okay, this one was $55 worth of burritos. And I had to wait, yeah, I had to wait 11 minutes. I waited a long time for this one. No tip. What was it? This one, right? Okay, this one, she actually did. I have to give it to her. She left me a $5 tip in cash. But like some of this stuff, guys, like they're ordering so much food and no tip. I don't get it. So this day I made 27, what was it? 27 bucks plus 35, plus including that tip, 27 plus 35. I made $62 in my first week and 61, well, yeah, maybe 60, what did I say? 27 plus 35. So, I mean, maybe plus 63 total around. So not great, but better than nothing. I mean, that'll pay for my gas for the week. That's about it to drive around and do my personal activities. But yeah, I mean, it's side cash. If I did that every week, I mean, I only went out probably for about 2-3 hours each day. Yeah, on the first day I started in the morning or in the afternoon, took a break, and then went out in the evening again. And on this day, I just started at 10:43 and went until 1. So I just basically did the lunch shift and got 27 bucks. So that's pretty realistic, guys. You're not gonna get a lot unless you really grind it out. Like, unless you're just doing order after order. You probably have to do 20 orders because we're averaging about, what, $7 an order. with tips. I mean, if you can do 20 deliveries, you're making 140 bucks. I mean, I did 4 and made 27. So what's that? 27.61 divided by 4. Yeah, about $6.9 average. So times that by 20, you can make 138 bucks if you do 20 of these. But dude, those are tiring. I don't know if I would really recommend it, but it was decent side cash. So I wouldn't recommend it for everyone though. But if you do want to try it out, definitely use my link so you can get that, you know, bonus or guarantee depending on your market. And make sure to use the link down below for Get Upside. Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.